Working is fun. It just takes up so much time, you know? Like all those hours spent at work instead of like here doing whatever I want to do. Okay. Let's smoke the lemon kush today. I just bought it yesterday. It's beautiful. Grinder. It's getting kind of chilly out here. Like, you can tell it's not summer no more. More weed. Always weed. No, that's the weed. It's the same weed.